It's been 3 weeks now. This is the third Sunday since I have straightened my hair, and I feel like it's holding up pretty well. In the back here, in the kitchen, as we like to call it, it has curled up because I do not have a tape. So when I wrap my hair at night, or however I put my hair up in my scarf, it's a part that I still be hanging out. But that part is curled up just a little bit, but the rest of my hair is pretty good. It wasn't bone straight to begin with because I feel like if I had to put it on a higher temperature that it would have been straighter like they get it at the salon, but I'm okay with how it is now. This works for me. So I have used my flat iron one time since the initial flat ironing, and that was about a week ago because we had lots of rain, we had snow. It was just very humid weather, and my hair didn't revert back completely, but I had some frizzy flyaways that were trying to curl up a little bit. Look kind of cozy there. Kind of doing it right here again on my edges, but I'll be all right. But and of course the kitchen back too. But my hair has held up quite nicely. I'm very pleased. When I go to the salon, I usually let it last for a month. I try to push through. And since it is week 3, I'm trying to let it push through, but I like to change my hair. There are plenty of protective styles that you can do with straight natural hair, but I don't think I've done any for you guys. So I'm so excited about the one that I'm going to do for you guys today, and it is the super sleek Beyonce ponytail. Now I did the Nicki Minaj ponytail. If you guys want to see that video, you can click the link in the description below. But I just wanted to do a sleek pony, but I wanted to be a long pony. Now, I've had a long braid. I didn't do a video for that one, but if you guys are interested in that, leave it in the comments below, and I'll make sure that I will get that video over to you guys. But I just wanted a long, sleek ponytail. So I did my Googles, I did my online research, I looked around, I asked a couple people, and I ended up buying hair from a company called Top Hair. I purchased their number 27 in 22 inches. I got 2 bundles to do this look, and I'm excited to try it out and show you guys the finished look. So let's get started. Very pleased with this hair from Top Hair. They did an amazing job. It is very good quality. It's soft. There's no shedding, and best of all, it blends with my hair, and they ship very quickly. I ordered on Saturday, and I got my hair on Wednesday. And the only reason why I didn't get it any sooner is because it was the weekend. So I can definitely deal with that. If you guys are interested in trying top hair for yourself, I put a link to them in the description below. You guys also make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. There's going to be more videos coming soon. And if there's anything in particular that you want me to do a video on for you guys, make sure that you leave it in the comments below. Also, make sure that you follow me all over social media at Blondie's Lipstick. And for all things Blondie's, hit up blondieslipstick.com. Until next time, mwah.